In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever found yourself fumbling through the various tools available in Acrobat to find just the ones you need, customizing your toolbar can be a real game changer. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you have everything set up just the way you want it. Start by opening a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This step is essential because you'll need to have a document open in order to access the toolbar and make the necessary adjustments. Once you've got your PDF opened up, direct your attention to the top of your screen where the comment toolbar is located. Now look for the icon with the 3 horizontal dots, which is a universal symbol for more options. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu select Customize Toolbar. This menu is your gateway to tailoring the tools you see and use the most, making your workflow more efficient and personalized. Just think about how much time you could save when the tools you need are just a click away. Once you've entered the Customize mode, you will be presented with a variety of tools. Take a moment to think about which ones would be most useful for your day-to-day tasks. Selecting a tool is simple. Just click on the tool you wish to add to your toolbar. Whether it's a highlighter, text box, or stamp tool, these selections will help you streamline your process. When you've decided on a tool you want to add, look for the plus button next to that tool. Clicking this will add the tool to your toolbar. This action is straightforward and immensely satisfying, knowing that you're crafting an interface that works best for you. The added tools will appear immediately, allowing you to see your customized toolbar take shape in real time. After you've made your selections and adjustments, don't forget to hit Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the modifications you've made are locked in for your future sessions. Without saving, you risk losing all your carefully curated changes. By following these steps, you've now optimized your Adobe Acrobat workspace to better suit your needs, ultimately making your PDF editing tasks that much easier and more intuitive. Customizing your toolbar isn't just about adding tools, it's about creating a personalized digital workspace that enhances your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you to navigate Adobe Acrobat Pro DC more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.